Today I'm going to give you guys a tutorial of Facebook to help you understand the platform and get more comfortable using it. So I'm going to start off by opening Chrome and typing in Facebook. And it took me right there because I open this so often. But I'm going to log out just to show you what it looks like normally if you haven't gone to Facebook 1,000 times like me. So here is where you're going to want to type in your email address and password. Oops. And then log in. And now here I'm going to explain to you a little bit about the dashboard so that you are more comfortable with it. And if you have more questions, you can always just email me too. So I'm going to first start off by showing you some of the basic features. So the world button right here, you can usually click on it and it will show you your most recent notification. So we can see that Phil posted on the Massage Therapy Ambassador group. Today is John's birthday. To the left, we have a little chat sign, and that shows you all of the messages that people are sending you that no one else can see. It's kind of like email for Facebook. So you can see that I have clicked on these two emails and opened them because they're white. And I have not opened this email because it's blue. So you can respond to this by clicking, and I can go down here and click, "Hi, Amy," or whatever I want to say, and then you can send it. I'll go into more of that later because you probably won't be using that much. The little notification here says that 2 people want to add me as friends, and so I would add them. Or they have already accepted my friend request. And down here it shows you people I may know. Linda, okay, I'll add her as a friend. Alright, so that basically explains that. Now I'm going to show you how to make a post. Okay, so right here you can make a post or a status. You can say whatever you want here. I'm doing a Facebook tutorial for the campus managers. And then I'm going to post that. Let me show you here. You can tag people in your post. I could say oops, you don't need to do that, Gina Fong. So it says with Gina Fong. Okay, so then as soon as I post that, she will get a notification that I have tagged her in the post. If we want to add a location, which you probably won't be doing this too much, but in case you do, you can type here, National Holistic Institute, Emeryville. Cool. And if you want to add how you're feeling, which you probably shouldn't do this when you're posting to your campus-specific page, but if your personal one, of course, you can always do whatever you want. Feeling, and then you can say happy, annoyed, whichever. I'm going to say excited because that's fun. And this is just going to my friends, not posting from a campus page. So I'm going to post that, and you do that by clicking that button. You can also monitor who sees this post. So if I say I want specific people to be in this, you can say only me, customize it, people in San Francisco, only National Holistic Institute, whatever you want. I'm going to say just friends. So post that. Okay, let's say this is a great time to show. You can like things by clicking like, comment, say having fun with this tutorial. Enter to make the comment show, and let's say you want to share this. You can share it onto your page. Okay, so let's say I don't want this after all. You can click the arrow right here and click delete and remove it from the page completely. So now is a good time to explain the news feed versus your page. So the news feed is going to have everything in it that other people post. No one can see this except for you. So these are what people are saying on Facebook. These are all called posts. You can have image posts like this one here, just content, just copy. You can post articles. So it's a really cool feature. Okay, so we're going to go back up to the top, and then to see what my page says, you're going to go click on your face, and your picture is going to be up there where it says Allie instead of my name. Click on that, and it takes you to my personal Facebook page, which everyone can see who is my friend. So here you can say I put about me, where I've worked, studied at Ball State, lives in San Francisco, from Indianapolis. Here is where my post will go that I have already said. And from here you can also write a post. So you don't have to be in the back end. So I can post, hi guys. And let's say I want to share an article or a picture. Okay, so let's see. What article would be good? Let's go to Mashable, because they always have good stuff. Okay, so Mashable, finding a good post, 8 apps to help you get more done in less time. Perfect. Everyone wants to know this. So I'm going to copy that, paste that in to the post, and watch that it automatically showed you what the picture is, the article, and there you go. So I'm going to remove that and just put love this. This is simple. That's not really something I would post, but for this tutorial, that's fine. And then you can post it down here. Post. So everyone now is going to see that post in their personal news feeds that I am friends with. So I can go back to home to see that, and you can see this in the news feed. So I'm going to delete that because I don't really need to have that. So that just shows you basic understanding of what that stuff is. You can find your friends by clicking here, and it will give you people that you might possibly know. Let's see, and these are basic things that you'll have. You can see people's birthdays, what's trending on Facebook. These are all like what's happening now. Nothing sounds too interesting right now, but usually it's the most popular things happening on Facebook are posted right here. And so for the next thing I want to show you, I'm trying to see how much time I have. Okay, so after I have invited you to the Facebook page group, okay, I need to get away from that. You're gonna have the option to manage your page, and by this arrow it will show you you're going to only have one, and it's going to be your campus. I have several. I have every campus here, and you see that little number right here? That's how many notifications we have on that page. So let's take a look at what's happening on the National Holistic Institute Facebook page. This is the overall broad one. So we have 12 notifications here. That means that 12 things are happening. People are commenting, liking our stuff, whatever. So let's see what it is. I'm going to click on activity. And today we can see that people are liking our ads. You will not have to do anything related to that. But we can see Nikaya likes our photo. How to be the most organized person in the world. So we got a couple of people engaging with this post, so that's great. I'm going to go back to home to get to the news feed of National Holistic Institute's page, so we can see everything that people are posting. So these are the people that I have liked, like Massage Nerd, Marie Forleo. American Massage Therapy Association. Just this is where I get some of the content that I share. And right here, you can see that 36 people have just recently liked the page. So that's always a great sign. You want that number to be really high. So that's good. Let's go and do a post for, no, let's actually not do that. Let's go to Insights. Because people, you're going to wonder, how are my posts doing? Are my posts performing well? Are they not? Let me know what they're doing. So to do that, we're going to go to the page, and we're going to go up here and click Insights. And see, these are a lot of data that you might not need to know that much about, but basically if you just scroll down to your most recent post, you can see how your post's doing. So how many people has this post reached? 243 versus this one that was 1,300. That's a lot. These are posts that we love. We want the numbers to be high. Why is this one higher? Well, a few things make posts more susceptible to be liked and shared and commented on. People love infographics, they love videos, engaging. It's the way you post, the way you position your post, and I'll get into that more later. But right now we just want to see the type. So right here it says this is a link. It's not noticing it's a video for some reason, but it is. And then these are photo posts. So you can see how they're doing. And here the engagement is 81. That is what we really like to see. We like to see higher numbers. And 8 and 10 is not that great. But for your pages, because you have less engagement on your pages in general, the numbers will be down. So that's just a forewarning. Don't be alarmed. And you know what? Just check these, and it helps you to see what's working and what's not. So here we can see the red. That's likes, comments, and shares. These people are liking the posts. 26 people have liked the posts. 81 people have clicked on the post. So that's pretty much all you need to know about that. I'm not going to show you anything about that because it's not too much of what you need to know. So yeah, over here you can post just like I showed you on the example I gave you of how to do that. It's the exact same thing. And to use a photo or video, you can just click on that, and you can say create a new photo album if you want to add a graduation album right there, or upload a photo or a video. So here you can click on that, and you can choose pictures or whatever. Let me see. I have some. Where's my NHI folder? Oh, it's on my desktop. NHI docs. Okay. So this is for a blog post I'm doing, and I'm not going to post that right now because I want to save that for later, but you just saw how easy it is to upload a picture. And right here you can write whatever you want to say about that. So I'm going to say check out our new blog post. All about how to nail an interview. So then I could post that. I don't want to post that now because I'm saving it for later, but you can see how easy it is. You don't have to worry about boosting posts. And if you want to schedule a post for later, you can do it like this. All massage therapy students, come check out my blog. Okay, total example. I don't know where that came from, whatever. So we'll say we want to schedule that for a little bit later. So we click schedule, and here you can choose the date. So the 24th, a time, 1 p.m., and then you click schedule. And I'll send you the next video to give you a little bit more. I hope this was helpful to you. All right.